cool little card flick throw thing. I don't know what to call it, but it looks like this, right? You saw it in the intro. You're gonna hold it with your middle finger, right here, and your thumb. So it's like that, and you're gonna flick off the card like that, right? So if I get rid of this deck, it looks like this, and then it rotates off the finger. So in speed, and literally you're just snapping the fingers, and that's what causes it to flick like that, right? And you could do a couple of things with this. You could catch it in the middle of a fan like that, and then from there, like it's the 2 of clubs, right? You could close the fan and catch that natural break, and then do a double undercut, controlling that card to the middle whenever you just threw it into the middle. So that's kind of cool. Then another thing that you could do with it is you could flick it and catch it in between this. So then the 2 of clubs, and then you show that it just went to the top by doing a double lift, and then you could place it back into the middle, and then it would look like you've controlled it. So it should look something like this, and then you do a double, and that's the 2 of clubs. You place it in the middle, and then they believe that it's somewhere in the middle of the deck, but it's on top. Another tip on this move is about how you aim it. So if I were to flick the card like this, it would shoot right at my shirt. But if I turn my wrist a bit like this, not like this, it shoots out, which is what you want. You want that nice arc, which makes it look kind of cool. And then if you want to shoot it up high like I just showed you, you just gotta add a little bit more. You just gotta throw it just a tiny bit as you flick it, and then it'll shoot up. Just with practice, you gotta work up the muscle to be able to really shoot it up high. Well, that about sums it up for this video, and remember, you can do this with business cards or credit cards, or really any kind of card. You can flick it and catch it with the other hand.